In 1987, I led a large group of Tibetan monastics and lay people totaling more than 10,000 people to Mount Wutai in the east, the place where Lord Manjushri actually resides. Together in front of the giant white pagoda that contains a relic of Buddha Shakyamuni, we recited the King of Aspiration Prayers for excellent conduct tens of millions of times. By virtue of the unobstructed power of Manjushri's wisdom, all the people present at that time received extraordinary blessings in accordance with their karmic fortune. Those with the best karmic fortune saw Manjushri and received his teachings in person, and the blessings of Manjushri's wisdom entered their minds. Those with middling karmic fortune experienced such signs in their meditative experiences. Those with less karmic fortune saw Manjushri in their dreams.